here's how I decorated our Christmas fireplace mantle. First, I started with a few long pieces of greenery to give the mantle a good base. Next, I cut a variety of different greenery pieces into single branches. This allowed me to pepper them throughout the mantle and use them in a more organic way. It also creates interest and texture for your eyes. I spray painted anything that was too shiny with a clear matte spray. This helps to make those pieces look a little more realistic. Then I added those berries for some beautiful pops of color. Next, I added in some additional brass details to match the mirror. Lastly, I adjusted a few final pieces. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below.